video, I'll demonstrate how to patch a hole from jeans. First of all, turn the jeans the other way around and mark about 5 cm away from the hole and start unpicking. This will help you stitch the patch that is shown here. But before you apply it to the jeans, make sure to seal the sides of your patch with the up-lock machine. Stitch the patch onto the wrong side of the jeans with the darker side facing up. Then turn the jeans around and stitch them as shown using the pocket that you unpicked earlier. Then stitch the pocket to close it and remember to iron. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.